Holt Education Through Imagination is a career exploration company dedicated to introducing scholars to a variety of 21st century career pathways through STEAM education programs, products, and resources. We provide students with a strong foundation of creativity, innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship so they can become college and career ready for a variety of STEAM careers. Our makerspaces are modern-day manufacturing labs where students can take their ideas from concept design to full creation, utilizing a multitude of different cutting-edge technologies, including subtractive manufacturing on CNC mills, additive manufacturing on 3D printers, transformative manufacturing on laser cutters and vacuum formers, as well as embroidery machines, vinyl printers, and much, much more. Our makerspaces seamlessly combine hardware with a whole suite of industry-leading design software. An ETI makerspace can take your projects to the next level and help prepare your students for 21st century careers. Our team is committed to innovating the way we teach by developing highly engaging, hands-on programs and products that inspire the imagination, ignite creativity, and bring the magic of storytelling to life. For more information about our programs and services, please contact us today.